Welcome to Never Done Projects, where we are just a silly little YouTube channel. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and consider joining the member on the wall and out by the road for only $4.99 a month.
All right, everybody. It is 3:30. We're doing this at 4 o'clock.
I have no shoes.
And Randy has his socks off.
No, my socks are on.
So, and I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I've been good until right now. Now I'm getting a little nervous. I just hooked up my power steering, so I will have power steering. So far, the battery's been doing good.
You had power steering this whole
Everything's been
time.
going good. I'm hoping that from here to out there, I don't lose my battery. So, but we're gonna give it a shot and see what happens. Thank y'all. We'll be right back.
It is extremely important, everybody, before your open class of Burnout rivals, you got to eat breakfast. But most importantly, you got to take a nap. You got to make sure you're well rested for this event. Hey everybody, I'm sitting here making this video and it dawns on me. If you did not know, this event in front of all these tens of thousands of people is the first time that Fireball has truly been tested since we put that motor in. Y'all be the judge. Tell me, do you think it did good, bad, indifferent, or do you think we could do better? Because we know we can do better. See you soon.
I'm just a small town man, standing on a big stage, trying to get a big break. Think about the chance that I got as I pace back and forth, saying, please don't forget these words. Looking at the stage, all the people and the lights, I feel like I'm gonna hurl.
You can do it!
And my stomach's in a whirl. Well, I'm beyond scared, and I don't know if I'm prepared. But here I go,
boys out of the way. Up next, we got Randy Hutchins in his 1993 Chevy Camaro Z28 out of Denton, North Carolina. Randy, let her rip, brother.
Oh, this guy better have a mullet. We gotta plug the YouTube channel on the side. Never Done Projects YouTube channel. It's true. Projects that never get done. I like it. He's got the tire smoke down. Oh, he gets out of it a little bit. That's going to hurt his points. I'm pretty sure he thought he was running into the wall. All because these tires are about to blow.
Give it up for Randy Hutchins Jr. in the Camaro. Never Done Projects. What a great name. Real good name.
Yeah, it was a solid rip right there. A lot of smoke. Those tires lasted forever. I mean, he was killing them, but they refused to pop.
That's right. That's right. Maybe next time Randy will come out with a little less tread.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope to see you tomorrow for another episode of Never Done Projects. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share with a friend. And tell them if these idiots can do it, we can too.
On the next episode, you be the judge. Who did better, Fireball or Zelda? Only time will tell.
So, up next, guys, we have another Camaro, believe it or not, Z28. And this is driven by, is this Randy Hutchins right here?
Yeah, earlier we had Randy Hutchins Jr. Now we got Randy Hutchins III in his F-body Camaro.
Oh my gosh. And was the other Randy Hutchins in a Camaro as well?
Yeah, he was in a 93, but Junior here, or the third, is in a 95.
Oh my gosh. Well, let's see who can do a better burnout.
We're talking about generations of burnout smoke. Now, Dad couldn't get the tires popped. Let's see if he can get them popped. Are we good to go? All right. Send Randy Hutchins III out here to pop some tires.